Today we are going to see the poem My Hobby Reading from Unit 1. The poet who wrote this poem is Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. What is a hobby? What do you do during your leisure time? Hobbies are the activities that we do during our free time. Boys, can you tell me what do you do during your free time? How do you spend your free time? Some can spend their time by singing. Some spend it in dancing. So, hobbies are singing, dancing, gardening, playing musical instruments, cookery, etc. Hobbies help people to learn new things and relaxes our mind after a tiring day. These are some of the hobbies that are listed here: dancing, playing musical instrument, collecting stamps, cooking, stitching, etc. Now, let me read the poem. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. It takes me to places near and far. It keeps my rational doors ajar. It teaches me to cackle and cry. Without wings, it lets me fly. I wish if all the children could read, in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. Let me read the poem once again. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. It takes me to places near and far. It keeps my rational doors ajar. It teaches me to cackle and cry. Without wings, it lets me fly. I wish if all the children could read, in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. The poet Arunachalam in this poem speaks about his hobby, which is reading. Reading helps him to grow and cultivate many good thoughts. His thoughts takes him to places which are near and very far. The poet compares his mind to a room and expresses that reading habits enables him to keep the doors of his mind unlocked, and at the same time it prevents the unwanted entry of bad and wrong things. Reading also teaches the poet to laugh loudly during happy times and cry in times of sorrow. Reading helps the poet to fly high with its thoughts and imagination. Thus, the poet concludes by saying that if all the children are well educated, then a strong and dynamic society can be built. If such a society is created, then we can succeed and reach to the highest level. So, children, if you are educated, then even our country and our society will reach to the highest level. So, cultivate the habit of reading as part of your hobby.